Well, folks, this is something totally different that we're doing for our con law class, and that is that we're going to talk about how to do research on the library website within your course, and then how to find your way down to LexisNexis and then to Shepard's. So basically what we're going to do, and I'll give you this information again, but what you need to do is log into your class like you would normally do, and then on the left side you'll see where it'll say library resources, okay? And you want to click on that, okay? There's resources, then there's library resources. In this case, we want library resources. And then you hit research, and then you hit databases, and then you find the L. You'll just see a strip with A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, G, and then there's an L. So you click on L, then you click on LexisNexis, and then once you'll see this, you'll see a page there. It may require you to log in again, which is your same login as you have for our course, okay? So you log in again like you're going to log into our course, and then once you choose it, choose U.S. Legal, and then you want to go into the U.S. Legal and then choose Shepard's, okay? And in Shepard's you're going to see a little box is going to come up, and I'm going to try to stick this out here. It kind of looks like this, okay? And for an example, I'm going to give you the Heart of Atlanta case. And all I'm putting in here, if you notice, is the citation without the year, okay? So you put in the citation without the year, just like this, and then you click on submit, and it should give you a number of sites to look at. And what we want to do is I'm going to step back now and give you a few seconds here just to get all these notes down. So you go library website, research, databases, L, LexisNexis, and you fill in the question as far as the citation, and then what you do is you go in and you click on the Shepherd symbol, and it'll take you to all the cases. Now, one of the things on the Shepard's that I want to touch on, I think you've probably had enough time, but I'll give you another couple minutes here, is we'll show you what we want to do when you get to Shepard's. So you're on the library website, you've logged in, and you go to Shepard's and you put in your citation, and what you'll find a bunch of different words on here, okay? And then so here you'll find some that'll say followed, okay? And you'll see a bunch of blue lines, that'll be maybe 500 US 221 or something, okay? So you can click on that line there and read that case. And in that case you'll find Heart of Atlanta mentioned, okay? Another thing you'll see maybe is distinguished, okay? And what they're going to say on that is, well, somebody mentioned this case as maybe having a point on it, this would be like same thing, but on down here it says, well, but this is not the same case in this area. It's different, okay? And then maybe you'll see where it's like overturned. What that means, and that's the most critical reason why we have you do this. If you find that it says overturned, that means that case is no longer good. You don't even want to use it, okay? And so as we go along further, what we want you to do as we get into this a little bit more is start adding some Shepard's research that you did. And so beginning, especially I was going to start around the 8th week, which is coming up, But if you ran that case again, and you ran a Shepard's on that, and got that to me, then what I'm going to do is I'm going to give you the option to send that to me, and you'll get points for that. So it's important to look at any of these cases that you can. Now, I wouldn't look at the Holder because it's too new, but you could look at McCullough versus Maryland for sure, which is 17 U.S. 316, or any of the cases that we would have already done. Wickard versus Filburn would be a really good one to run that and see just what it'll say if we look at it today. So work on this. Now, there's going to be another supplemental part to this. I'm going to put up some PowerPoint slides with some screenshots that are going to show you point by point what you want to do. So watch the video, take some notes, then look at the PowerPoint so it'll show you what each of your screens should look like as you're going in and filling this out. So you need to do both. You need to watch the video, then you need to do the PowerPoint and understand the screenshots. Okay? So let me know if you have any concerns or questions at robdawalt@me.com. Hope this was helpful. I'll keep working with you. So one thing I want you to walk away from this class is with a good understanding of LexisNexis and Shepard's, because these are always good tools that you can use in the future if you have to do research. Okay? Hope it was helpful. Hope you're enjoying the class. Let me know if I can help. And we'll close this out at this time.